Hello students, today we come to a very important part of our biochemistry, that is the syllabus. What will be the syllabus which will be included in our university exams, and I will also show a model paper where you will see what type of questions will come. So this is the syllabus and model paper for the um, Sai Tirupati University, that is our Pacific College. Okay, so let's come to the syllabus. So syllabus for first MBBS, that is 2019-20 batch, we will have two papers in that, and the first paper which will include chemistry and metabolism of carbohydrates. So chemistry and metabolism of carbohydrates, chemistry and metabolism of lipids, chemistry and metabolism of amino acids, chemistry and metabolism of proteins, and chemistry and metabolism of nucleoproteins, and chemistry and metabolism of hemoglobin. So we will include all 6 topics, which will include in chemistry and also metabolism of all the 6 topics, that is carbohydrate, lipid, amino acid, proteins, nucleoproteins, and hemoglobin. Then the next topic is acid base balance, diet and nutrition, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, hormones, and biological oxidation. These all topics will be included in paper 1. And with all this topic, one important thing is also there, which is new for this year students, that is ATCOM module 1.4. So there will be also a short note on a ATCOM module, that is 1.4. So there is a booklet, you can find it on the website of MCI, where you will find ATCOM module, and in that module all the modules are given. The module which is 1.4, that module is included in biochemistry. So the title of that module is Foundation of Communication. So how to communicate with patient, how to communicate with our peers, how to communicate with our subordinates and colleagues, how to communicate with our head, HODs, and also with the patient. These all are included in this. Then paper 2. In paper 2 you will have all the molecular biology. In molecular biology there are many topics like transcription, translation, replication, mutation, repair, RDT, that is recombinant DNA technology, in which gene sequencing, gene library, all this DNA fingerprinting, all blot techniques, all these techniques, and PCR, human genome project, gene therapy, all these are included. Lac operon system, gene regulation, these all are included in molecular biology. So molecular biology you will have a vast topics. Then next is immunochemistry, then cancer, then AIDS, xenobiotics, free radicals, antioxidants, water and electrolyte balance, function test for liver, kidney, thyroid, and pancreas. Thyroid and pancreas. Then next is marks distribution. So you see marks distribution in theory paper, there are 100 marks first theory paper, 100 marks second theory paper, and practical also 100 marks. In theory paper you will have 20 marks MCQ. You will have 20 marks MCQ, there will be 20 MCQs, and 40 marks section A and 40 marks section B. There are MCQ 20 marks with 20 questions, 40 marks section A and 40 marks section B in paper theory paper 2 also. In practical there are 100 marks, in which Viva theory marks, that is 20 marks, and 80 marks you will perform in the practical. So in that 80 marks, these are divided like this: 10 marks Viva, practical Viva, 10 marks record, 10 marks you will have case study, and next 50 marks you will have OSPI pattern questions, in which you will have procedure station also and question also. So first question you will have, that can be first sheet should be MCQ, then you will have next question with name the condition and causes, that is any 5 you will do it from 6, and each question is of 2 marks. Then structured long question, that you have to do only one question and you will have 2 out of 2, you have to choose only one, that will be 10 marks. Then the next is short note, that will be any 4, and in that short note you will have one short note on ATCOM module, that will be 4 marks each, 5 marks each, 4 questions you will have. Then mention difference between, that is any 2 differences you have to write, and that will be 4 marks each. 3 will be given, choice will be there, and total marks will be 8 marks. Then the other question in section B is draw neat labeled diagram, that is any 2 diagram you have to draw from 3, and you will have 4 marks each. Then write short note on any 4, you will write any 4 short note from 5 and 4 marks each, that is total 16 marks. And then short answer type questions, where all are compulsory, there will be no choice, and that 4 short note you have to do it, and 2 marks each. So in this way you will have 40 marks this section B and 40 marks section A. Now we come to what is in ATCOM. So in ATCOM conversation, you can how to communicate. So how you will communicate, or how you will talk with your peers, your HOD, your colleagues, your juniors, your ward ladies or ward boy. These all come under the ATCOM module. Even with the patient, how you will talk. So for examples, I have shown you one, like write and conversation. How you convince mother of COVID positive child to be quarantined from child. So if mother is if child is COVID positive, then how you will convince a mother to remain away from that child. So that conversation you have to write. I have just given an example, but you can have any choice, any communication skills can be given. How you will convince a village man to wear mask, है ना? Village man doesn't know importance of that mask, then how will you convince them? Then how will you break a bad news of sudden death of the only son in the procedure to the father? So how you will break a bad news if there is only son, only one child of that father, and you did a procedure or some other doctor did a procedure with that child, and in that procedure the child died. So how you will break this news to the father? So such type of, I have given some examples, so you can see any communication skill can be asked. Now the question 1, which is name the condition and causes. So in that type, some questions like this can come when a blood sugar level increases above the normal level. So what will be that condition? Name it, and what are the causes for that condition. So it may increase in diabetes. So what are the causes of diabetes? When urea is increased in blood. So when urea is increased in the blood, so what is that condition known as, and what are the causes of it? Then when ketone bodies are increased in blood, that you have to write, that is ketosis, ketonemia, ketonuria. So in blood it is, that's why it will be ketonemia. So what are the causes for that? Then when person cannot see in dark, so vitamin A deficiency. So you should know the condition, that is night blindness. What are the causes of it? When vitamin C is deficient, what will happen? Scurvy, है ना? What are the causes of it? When creatinine is increased in blood, so what is that condition known as, and what are the causes? So in this way you can practice many questions like this. Some other questions I can show you. When uric acid increases in blood, है ना, hyperuricemia or hyperuricemia. When there is deficiency of glucose 6 phosphate, so if glucose 6 phosphate is deficient, or it can be also asked when glucose 6 phosphatase enzyme is deficient, what will happen? When bilirubin does not conjugate with liver, what will happen? When there is lysosomal accumulation of GM2 ganglioside in central nervous system, so what disease it is, what is the condition, है ना? When Benedict test is positive in urine, that condition is known as what? And what are the causes you have to give. Then next examples I can show you. When creatinine level increases in blood, when thyroid hormones are hyper secreted, when RNA polymerase does not bind to promoter region, when rewinding does not occur at the time of replication, when bilirubin does not conjugate. Now what will happen? So next type of questions, when what will happen, in paper 2 you will have this type of questions. What will happen? So when factor 1A and factor 3 does not attach to 40S ribosome, this is the initiation step of translation. So when urea is increased in blood, when RNA polymerase does not bind to promoter region, what will happen? And in what cases, what are the causes, है ना, that you have to write. When third base is changed in protein synthesis, so this is Wobble hypothesis, है ना. When reduced glutathione is not generated in RBC, when HMP shunt is deficient, so NADPH is deficient, then reduced glutathione is deficient, so what will happen then in RBC? Hemolysis, है ना. So such type of questions you have to. Now the structured long questions. So structured long question in which you will have some case study with, and what that indicates, that you have to do. Like a patient of chronic obstructive airway disease. So obstructive airway disease, है ना. So came to the hospital with respiratory infection. So it is obstruction in airway. So which type of, if pH is 7.2, that is less, so H plus ions are more. Bicarbonate is increased, PCO2 is increased. Give the diagnosis. Causes and compensation of this mechanism for the condition. So what is that condition, है ना? So you describe it and name the condition. From this what you understood, what are the causes for this type of acidosis, if it is acidosis, if it is alkalosis, and how you will say the compensation mechanism also for this condition. Some other types like this. And when a 48-year-old male with chest pain and cholesterol level is 350 milligram per deciliter came to the clinic. So hypercholesterolemia na, suggest various prevention to reduce his cholesterol level. So what suggestion you will give to prevent this type of cholesterolemia? A patient came to the clinic with a condition characterized by yellow coloration of white of the eyes and skin, Name the condition and describe its types and causes. So what is that condition where you see the yellow coloration of eyes and skin? An alcoholic malnourished patient present to hospital with respiratory distress. His pulse rate was high, pedal edema, hypertension and systolic murmur along with bilateral crepitation. Which vitamin deficiency can cause this? Okay, so alcoholic, if some are alcoholic chronic, what vitamin is deficient? Name the condition and write note on that vitamin. Then next is, what step of transcription is inhibited by rifampicin? Describe that step only, you have to describe. A man aged 38 years presenting with serum creatinine this much milligram per deciliter, 24-hour urine it was 2160 milliliter, is collected and found to have creatinine concentration in urine that is 0.85 gram per deciliter. Calculate creatinine clearance and comment on the result. Write normal creatinine clearance value, find creatinine clearance, and what are other clearance tests. So that is urea clearance. So this type of questions to answer. Which step of transcription is inhibited by actinomycin D? Describe the step. It is just like that transcription. Which translation step is inhibited by puromycin? Describe the step. Some like this structured long question can come. So some examples I have given. It is not necessary that these questions will come. I don't know what the examiner will do or ask, but I am just giving you the types so you can now prepare for the exam. Thank you very much. So now you start watching my videos promptly, because every time now I will help you to prepare about your exam. So next video will be my on AdCom module, and also on some case based studies also we will discuss here, and some such type of important questions we will do. Okay, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe and bell, and so that you can get the notifications.